Hi there guys, this is Tracy here and welcome to ToyBroadway. So today we're going to be doing a little bit of washing. So here I've got a Hotpoint Caston washing machine and I'll just put some washing into the drum there. And this particular washing machine you have to hold the front shut because it doesn't clip shut, but there's a little lever at the back that you turn and you can pretend to turn the drum inside the washing machine. So here we go, let's turn the power on. So there you go, that's the Hotpoint Caston washing machine, and there's our cloth, and we'll just pop that into the laundry basket that comes with the washing machine. So do subscribe, take care, and we'll see you again real soon. So bye from us at ToyBroadway.